What's up, guys? Pedro here, and on this video I'm going to show you how I trimmed out this planter box. Coming up right after this. Welcome back. If we're just meeting, my name is Pedro, and on this channel we like to share just about anything DIY. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notifications button so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's get right into the video. Well, we got to get to it first. I am doing this video at the request of several of my subscribers. It is a very simple build. And all we're going to need are these two cedar fence posts, dog-eared fence posts, 6 feet long. We're going to rip them right up the middle. It's 5.5 inches, so that'd be 2 3/4 to center. So I'm going to cut it, rip it. Rip it good. This table saw is a Craftsman, and it's at least 46 years old because my dad had it in his shop when I was 12 and I'm 58 now. I ripped these boards at 2 3/4 inches. I put my line right on in the middle of the blade. Dead center. Dead center. Exactly 4 feet. 4 feet. I'm going to go ahead and cut my 45-degree angle off this end here and then use a relative measurement. And here's where I'm using a relative measurement. I bought this miniature square off of Amazon, as well as the mechanical pencil. I like this pencil a lot. It's got a 2mm lead, which is a lot thicker than your average. I'll put affiliate links to all the tools that I use that I got off of Amazon in the description below. Perfect, perfect. Really don't know why I'm measuring this with a tape measure, because I ended up using relative measurement. 16 3/4. Inside edge to inside edge, 16 3/4. You cut that right and it'll match up to the outside. I bought that pneumatic brad nailer on Amazon as well. I paid like 25 bucks for it when I bought it. I'm pretty sure it's gone up quite a bit since then, but I'll put a link to it in the description as well. There it is. Whoa. Sorry for the shadow. Hey guys, that was a short and simple project done at the request of several of my subscribers. As I said before, I have affiliate links in the description below for all the tools that I use on this project and maybe a few extra ones. Using these links doesn't cost you anything, and I might be able to get a small commission off of any sales generated by clicking on those links. So that helps me to be able to do more videos and is greatly appreciated. If you have any special requests, there's several ways that you can contact me, and I'll put links to those as well in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it if you're so inclined. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless. Y'all take care.